today and welcome to Letscookolet. Today we want to show you how to make tandoori chicken drumstick. Yes, I did last night, I did marinate it, and they are marinated overnight marinade. So I'll show you a quick video how I did marinate it. We're gonna start with garlic, fresh garlic, mayonnaise, olive oil, salt and pepper, lemon juice, and you can use any blender you have at home. Voila, beautiful, nice. Now let's put these on the side. Now I'm gonna show you how to work on the drumstick, on the chicken drumstick. So I have here this piece. It's stainless steel nails, which is it's a food safe, and I'm going to pinch the drumstick, especially around the bone in the bottom here. So this allow the marinade to go through the chicken all the way through, easier, quicker, and can cook a lot quicker as well because the heat can transfer inside and you loosen the muscle at the same time. So now we're gonna do all of the chicken we have here, all the drumstick we have here. We're gonna pinch them all just around a couple of times. Now we have all the chickens ready to go here. Now we're gonna put the one we just blend, the marinade, dry parsley, the tandoori blend, tandoori spice blend, and I'm putting here about 7-8 cardamom seeds. Now it's time to mix it very well. Already smells so nice, unbelievable, can't wait. For the chicken drumstick, it's always better if you marinate it overnight. Now the hour and a half, 3 hours, especially for the drumstick, I don't agree with it a lot. It's always better overnight. So now all what you need here, just cover it up with a saran wrap and good to go in your fridge overnight, and tomorrow you'll work on it. And this can be done both ways. Can be done in the oven or barbecuing outside on the barbecue. So it's your choice. So yes, I choose to do it outdoors today. I ended up with a beautiful day, and I choose to do it on a barbecue, not on the oven, not in the oven. So I have the chicken here marinated, ready to go. You bring the heat to low, and let's put all the chicken here. They got nice color, smell yummy. Now I have the cedar wood. It's a food grade cedar wood, and we need the tandoor flavor, right? So I want to break it, put it around the chicken, and let it smoke, and give the chicken the natural smoke flavor. Voila, nice. Look at this. You see the wood, the smoke? It's giving natural tandoor flavor. Look at this, beautiful. It's been like for 7 minutes. Now we're gonna flip them to the other side. Voila. Nice. Let's cover it for another 7-8 minutes and we'll check on it. So roughly 26-27 minutes. I don't know if you can see the thermometer. Beautiful, 168, so it's good to go. Turn off. Let's try one. Yummy. Look at this. Wow. Wow, the tandoor flavor from the wood, the cardamom seeds, and the garlic and the tandoori blend, the tandoori mix. Amazing result. So don't forget to fire up your grill. Take advantage every day. It's a nice weather outside, and barbecue, and I'm serving this chicken straight from here to the table. So all yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.